What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. So today we're going to reattempt to paint the Hellcat using this newly acquired airbrush system. Just right here. It's a portable airbrush system that I purchased off of Amazon. I'll leave the link in the description below. That's what it looks like right there. We have 26 colors that we can choose from, and it's coming out to you next on this episode.
Welcome to No Pros RC.
Okay guys, so you may remember the disastrous painting job that happened on the previous episode when I attempted to paint this guy with a Goodwill Fine Crayola crayon airbrush system, which had waterproof markers, and that didn't work out so well. So I went online and purchased this off Amazon. It said it was for hobbies, nails, you know, arts and crafts, things of that nature. So I figured for like 30 some bucks I'll give it a shot. I am no pro when it comes to painting, but we are going to take a stab at this and see what we can come up with. It's already been cleaned with some alcohol, and let's just get into it and see what we can come up with. Let's shake this up first. When painting, I do recommend wearing gloves. Paint goes into this guy here. And before I actually spray the car, I'm going to test the strength of the sprayer, because this is the first time I'm using this. So that looks good right there. Let's spray the car. That's not looking good at all. I think I'm too close. Okay, let's try this again, but with some distance.
A few moments later.
Figuring out the best way to paint this guy without getting overspray. I don't know if I'm too close. Okay, so after spraying some more, yeah, it's coming around. There's a lot of overspray. Yeah, you guys need to help a no pro out. What am I doing wrong here? Leave a comment below to see where I can improve my technique. Did I not prep the car right? Is it the airbrush itself? Is it the paint? Just help a no pro out. I'm kind of disappointed in the results. I'm going to let this cure, or whatever the proper painting terminology is, and then I'm going to try to respray it again to see if I can get better results than what I have right now. At least like this video for my attempt. I'd appreciate it. And if you're new to the channel, hit that subscribe button as well. Yeah, you guys are just gonna have to stay tuned to see how this actually turns out. I promise I won't take it to a professional and then be a poser to say that I did it. I'm going to show you how it turns out, but I could use all the tips I can get in the meantime. So have an RC hobbyist that's a painter, give me some tips, some recommendations. I would certainly appreciate it. Till the next video, y'all be easy. Peace.
Thanks for watching. Like and comment, don't forget to watch more, subscribe.